Here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal being cut down, semi-shaped, from Winton area in Queensland. Rules in millimetres, materials wetted, white, there's the reflection of the lights. Not a lot of fire in that piece, just a little picture stone. Still got a lot of humps and hollows in it, but a lot of this brown is just basically mud, I think. It's only very thin. This piece has been ground down. A little stone over on the side there. Nice little eyes of colour, but we need to do it with Dremel. Lucky last, another little picture stone with a bit of work. Polish it up. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.